Hey there, I'm back with another Tesla accessory video. This time it's for real carbon fiber door cover handles. These are the TSLAUCAY ones. They're available on Amazon, so I'll put a link down in the description, but let's take a look at them. Okay, so you can see that's in the box here. They have some adhesive promoter right here. Underneath you have the 4 door handles. This is the matte finish version. They do have a gloss version as well. They look just amazing. They weigh almost nothing. They have double-sided tape on the back. You can see that the carbon fiber shows through the back, so you know that this is actually real carbon fiber. They are just amazing. So let's go ahead and do the install. Okay, so let's go through the steps of installing this. So you're going to take some isopropanol alcohol. Here I'm using 99%. I put some on a little cloth rag and I'm just going to clean the door handle to make sure I get a good adhesion here. So it just removes any waxes or anything that's there. Let that come off. Okay. Then you're going to take the adhesive promoter and you're going to put some on. Again, I would go around all 4 doors, put that on. Just make sure that it adheres to the door handle really well. Okay. And then you're just going to take off the tape here. Again, you can see the carbon fiber on the back here. So you know this is real carbon fiber. This is, again, matte finish. So we're just going to take this and we're going to just lightly place it on top. Don't press too hard. You can still pull it off before that point. There we go. And just make sure that it's equal all the way around. And then this is when you apply the pressure. So starting from the center, press out, making sure that you get good contact with it. So you're just going to press it on really tight here. There you go. And then once you've done that, just clean up any of the excessive adhesive promoter off. There you go. And there we go. Fits perfect. Opens and closes, no problem. Okay, so here's what they look like with the door handle on there. They fit perfectly. Look just amazing. So let's compare this view to the stock door handle. Yeah. It just doesn't compare. You can see right there. I've got another video right here where I install another product from TSLAUCAY. It is the real carbon fiber shifter covers. They're really good. They look really amazing. Check them out.